just wanted to show you a quick video on the mosaic double crochet 3 together. So it's a special stitch that you don't see very often, I don't think. I'm not sure, I've not seen it anywhere, to be honest. It might be my own made up stitch, but it's not really. So we're gonna yarn over and we're gonna insert into this prior front loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to yarn over, insert into the middle front loop from the row below, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to yarn over and insert into this forward front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see where they've gone into, those 3 stitches. I mean, if you had a different pattern, I guess you could be going into those 2, but this is my pattern that I'm making. So then at the end we yarn over and pull through all 4 to join it together. So it's just 1 stitch at the top, but 3 underneath, hence the name. Okay, hope you liked it. Bye.